Do you spend most of your time worrying about things that don't matter so much? I don't think it's necessary for me to sound like a native speaker. I just want to be able to speak fluently. We should spend our time creating content for our website, rather than wasting time worrying about minor cosmetic details.
This is a time of year when people get together with family and friends to observe Passover and to celebrate Easter.
I don't think it makes him a bad person just because he's decided he likes to eat horse meat. Even though her vet told her not to, she continued to feed her dog raw vegetables. I think it's a shame that some foreign language teachers were able to graduate from college without ever having studied with a native speaker. A lot of people who have up until now been spending money having a good time now need to be more careful with their money. I had never eaten any kind of Thai food, so I was pretty excited about going to a Thai restaurant with my grandmother. Getting your message across is much more important than trying to say it exactly like a native speaker would say it. Last year, I spent so much time by myself that I almost forgot how to communicate effectively with others. I think it's a shame that some foreign language teachers were able to graduate from college without ever having studied with a native speaker. Every student who has graduated from our university has studied English with a native speaker for at least 2 years. If you spend too much time in the sun without putting on sunscreen, you are likely to get a sunburn. She asked him to help her father clean the garage, but he said that he was too busy to help. I realize I may not be the most desirable man in the world, but I still hope you'll consider going out with me. She bought him a car, but he didn't have a driver's license, so he couldn't drive it anywhere. As soon as I can get a decent video camera, I'll start making videos to put online.